What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, once again, behind the scenes of the whole process that been going on over the course of like a week and a half. I mean, but y'all seen the car already mounted up, but now showing y'all these series of videos on what was going on to lead up to that point. So what I got going on today is we about to head over to Lawless Street Cars. I'm about to get the wheels and load them up in wifey Escalade, and yeah, that's what we're about to do. So we're gonna get the coilovers on in the front, and we're gonna get the air shocks in the back. Basically, this thing gonna be mounted up. I'm gonna tell y'all, I only have 3 rims. I still ain't got the tire put on my other rim. I got my right rim, but I don't have the tire put on yet, cause my bro CJ got sick, man. So it'll be next week, and I'm gonna actually mount it up for good at the house. But y'all will get a chance where y'all gonna see it today, but y'all already saw it. But at the time I'm shooting the video, I didn't have the tire on, so I had to do 3 rims. But we still gonna mount it up, get it jacked up and all that, man, you know. And man, I'm gonna buy some drums for this thing just for now, cause them jokers rusty. They should have been painted. But I'm gonna change the rear disc brakes, obviously for cosmetic reasons. It don't need it. It don't need the stopping power. I mean, them brakes, I can't, man, I ain't even gonna get into it. Them brakes will throw you clean out the windshield, I promise you. They will throw you out the windshield. But yeah, that's what we doing. Let me quit talking. I need to hurry up and get over there and check back in. All right, y'all, checking in, man. Made it over here. I'm probably gonna be checking in with y'all later, man. I'm finna head back to the house and get the truck. My wife would be driving the truck lately. She be wanting to drive it. Or I'm finna get one of the vehicles, one of that. I'll probably hop in the Camaro, actually. I'll probably hop in the Camaro, because I have not driven John Jones in about 2 weeks. So I'll probably drive it for today. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and holler at Jesse and get in the keys. Y'all turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man, many days later. Like I said, over here at Lawless again. They working on, they got the, give y'all an update, man, the backstory. They got the front done. I think they got the air shocks on too, but I ain't sure, I can't remember. But gotta do the frame knots today, which, like I said, y'all want to see the whole detailed process, man. Jesse filming the video and stuff for a channel, so y'all better see the whole detailed process and all this stuff. But y'all know I've been going back and forth with the rim stuff. My friend CJ end up he ended up getting the rim and stuff, so you know, nah, it's in the car, it's in there. But he got the rim, man, went ahead and brought it down and stuff. So you know, like I said, I appreciate him for that and all that. But I'm finna get in here, you know, see where they at, and then I record a little bit for y'all so y'all can see. But you won't get the detail. Jesse been filming everything, so he got it on his channel, Lawless Street Cars. So y'all make sure y'all check that out, man, and you can see the how-to and all that. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so y'all see, that's what they got going on. Y'all want to see the process, y'all check out Lawless channel, see the process. But they were there at the air shocks in the back. Y'all know I've been had new spring. They notched it, and they had to do to get these folds on, man. I think you still gonna have to trim. They're gonna have to trim a little bit, but Carlos. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, y'all, checking in. So this the update. This how it coming. Like I said, y'all seen it behind the scene. I mean, after the fact, y'all done seen the car mounted up, but this just another part of the process. Y'all saw me putting the tires on over there with my bro CJ, and now y'all seeing Lawless doing all this. And if you want to see this process by now, you should have seen it though, cause we already dropped the video on Lawless channel. But y'all should have seen how they did it. But I'm just showing you. And he cutting it out right now. So, you know, that's what's going on. Alright, y'all, we checking in. So y'all see, man, got that side all wrapped up. Everything is done. Like I said, been all day, man. So y'all know. Like I said, y'all looking at the process. By now, y'all already saw the let me go ahead and holler at y'all. Y'all already saw the process on the Lawless Street Car channel. But like I said, I'm showing y'all behind the scenes too, still over here on mine. But man, just know, I don't know, I can't remember if Jesse told y'all exactly how long it took on that video. But man, when I say it's a process, man, like people don't, I mean, I'm just telling y'all on the video, cause people don't understand the time that goes into this. When you do it right, I mean, you can do a quick job, you know, just go to hacking and stuff. But these guys, they took the time to make my car neat and stuff. It ride like it's supposed to, all of that. And man, it took 2 days. That's why I'm showing y'all this after the fact, cause like I said, I had to surprise y'all, man. I was making a move behind the scenes. The BCG Hangout people, they already knew, cause I was giving them the videos in real time. But y'all seeing it after y'all done saw me mounted up. But I mean, like I said, these guys, 2 days, and the C-notch been an all-day thing, man, doing it right. I got to shout out CJ, Lawless Street Car, cause he did his thing on it. But the C-notch, man, was all day. So I'm just saying that, so when you get quoted a price, don't get shocked like, oh, that's too much. You just think about all day, and it's some strenuous work, man. And man, I got caught on fire stuff, sparked and hit his jacket and all that. But it's an all day thing, man. It's some work going into putting these 24 on a Cutlass. I say that, and doing it right. And I run a 30 series tire, so you know it's a job. So definitely got to shout out to CJ and Jesse and stuff getting it done. Jesse did the cutting and stuff, and they were hammering on and all that, man. And it just painted the back and all that, make it look neat, man. Make it look neat. Put the coilovers on the front. Y'all know got the QA1 coilovers in the front. Went with air shocks in the back, cause they get the job done. Just did a hell of a job, man. And I got to shout out my fam CJ. His name CJ too, y'all know. Mr. Hell Camino, One Stop Wheels, Tires, and More for getting the tire from him. I bought my tire from him, and I bought an extra rim from him, which it's a backstory on that. Like I said, I bought an extra rim from him, man. He pulled up, he chilled all day with me down here at Lawless, and he brought the rim with him too. Mounted the tire, brought the rim since it came in and all that. So much love to him, cause he saved me a trip and some time, man. So yeah, they're gonna wrap this video up, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this behind the scene coverage after the fact, but I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.